Now, so a quick one. Today we'll be looking into Flutter. The first thing you do as a Flutter engineer, or who is aspiring to be a Flutter engineer, or as a newbie, the first thing you do, what Flutter is all about, and how to set Flutter on your system. So first of all, I would say that Flutter is an awesome app. I've been using Flutter for years to build awesome applications, um, which I will show you guys. So now, when it comes to the first benefit of Flutter, we have Flutter is a cross-platform platform that enables you to write from one code base, meaning that you can use one code base, write a code that will run on Android, iOS, Windows, and even web. So traditionally, if you want to write a program that will run on web, you have to use JavaScript for it or any programming language for it separately. Then if you want to write an application that will run on Android, you have to write that application separately. So but Flutter came up with this solution in the sense that one code can run on web, can run on Android, can run on iOS, can equally run on Windows phones, then equally on a desktop. So Flutter is really awesome. Then there's one other feature in Flutter that makes things awesome. It's called hot reload. Coming from a Java background or coming from Android background or even Swift background, there was nothing like hot reload then, in the sense that while building an app, you have to restart the app again to see the changes you have made. But Flutter has made it so simple that as you are building, as you are making changes, once you save, it reloads, it shows your changes. Then when it comes to the third point is native performance of Flutter applications. Flutter uses a programming language called Dart. Note that Flutter is not a programming language. Flutter is a framework using that programming language. Hope you guys can still follow. So now what Flutter does is just to give you that native performance. While using Android, you have that native performance. Oh, this Android widget. Oh, this button is an Android button. This while using iPhone, you would say, oh, this button is an iPhone button. So it gives you that native performance. So then the fourth point is that Flutter gives you beautiful interface. As you can see, all these things were built with Flutter. See awesome interface. As you can see, Flutter gives you beautiful interfaces just like the buttons, the icons, the text fields, so many things that you can achieve. Then another thing with Flutter is fast development. It saves time. Like it doesn't take much time for you to develop apps with Flutter. So as we speak, I think I have to run my application to show you guys what I've been up to. This is my Flutter app. This is my stimulator. All these apps we use using Flutter. So I think just launch it. So as we're saying, the next point, Flutter gives you access to native features and APIs, just like while using Android. Since it is a framework, it's not a native app. It gives you access, like for you to access device camera, GPS or sensors. So it gives you access to that. Then this Flutter very fast, very fast, quite productive, quite flexible. So it looks great, man. Then second thing is that Flutter has a great community. great community. We have we have Twitter platform where you can sync with other developers. We have Telegram. We have Discord. We have so many platforms where you can reach out to people. Like while developing, if you encounter issue, you have platforms where you can report your issues to, and you get your solution solved without wasting much of your time. Uh, it's always advisable for you to embark on a journey of software development with a programming language that has support, because being a new developer, whenever you run it, you must definitely run into one or two errors. But how do you solve them? You equally need someone to help you, but Flutter has massive community that will be of help. Flutter has a consistent UI across platforms. Like you have material design, you have Cupertino design for iOS, material design is always for Android. As we embark on this journey, you guys will understand more about this material design or Cupertino design. So Cupertino design is just like the way your iPhone, the way widgets, the way buttons, um, text fields look on iOS. That's Cupertino. The material design, the way they look on Android. So this is an Android phone. So basically, you can use the material design. You can use material design for Android. Then we have a very easy learning curve. Flutter has a very easy learning curve that is relatively easy to learn, especially for developers familiar with object-oriented programming. The comprehensive documentation and extensive resources provided by Flutter community makes it very more accessible for developers of all. As you can see, you have an extensive documentation over here for Flutter, so which we'll be going through. Then Flutter is cost effectiveness. Sorry, Flutter is cost effective. Yeah. It enables cross-platform development. You can build apps for both Android, just like the last project I did, like this project you are seeing. This project was previously built with Swift for iOS, then Kotlin for Android. But I was contacted to build it from one platform, build it with Flutter so that it can work on iOS and Android. Even on desktop, it's all working. It looks great. So this is a basic app that contains all the laws in the whole world. So I built this with Flutter. All looks great. So that's it basically. Now I think I have to move over to this second project. Let me run this. Now, when it comes to these are companies, popular companies that use Flutter. You know of this, Alibaba, eBay, Google. So these are people using Flutter, even Toyota, BMW, all of them. So that's why you have to learn Flutter. So then you can join any of our communities here. So that's it. So the next question that you ask yourself, remember these are the platforms you reach out to. So the next question you ask yourself, the next point you have, how do we get started with Flutter? How do you set it up? How will it work on your PC? So this Flutter app, you can sign up. So please, just a moment, let me share. I built this with Flutter. Let's see how it goes. Cool. This Flutter for you. So let's continue, guys. So the next thing, how do I set up Flutter just like the way I did mine? So first off, now Flutter, for me, I'm using MacBook Pro. Then for you, you might be using Windows. That's why you have Windows here. So all you have to do is just go to docs. Sorry, just go to flutter.dev. Once you click on flutter.dev, it takes you here. Then click on get started. Once you click on get started, it takes you here. Now, from get started, you have to install. If you're on Windows, you click on Windows. If you're on Mac, you click on Mac. If you're on Linux, you click on Linux. If you're on Chrome OS, you click on it. But let's get started with Windows. Then for Windows users, ensure that if you're using Windows, ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which is you must be on Windows 10 or Windows 11 or later Windows. So it must be Windows 10. If you're using Windows 8 or Windows 7, it won't work. And you must have a space of 1.64 gig at least left in your PC. Then Flutter depends on these tools being available in your environment. Make sure that your Windows PowerShell or your version is installed with Windows 10 and Git as well. So you can click on any of these. If you click on this one, click on this, it will show you how you set up Git for yours. Now, this is how to set up Git. Git is very easy. Just click here, you download it, then you install. It's very simple. Then you add it to your environment, which I will show you guys as well. So now, the next thing you have to do is to download the zip file. Once you are done downloading the zip file, if you download the zip file, all you have to do, I know for those who are using Windows, you go to your Explorer, wherever, if your download is here, or mine is somewhere here. This is how it looks like in a zip file. So all you have to do is move to the root folder of your system, create a folder, call it XRC, or you can call it anything, open it, then move the Flutter file here and do what and expand. Then all the next thing you have to do is just go to environment variables on Windows, then add the URL of this, add the URL of these two. So there's a video up here, just check it out how to add parts to your environment variable. It's too simple to do that. Then once you are done, you save. So then all you have to do is go to your Windows button, search for CMD. Once you click on CMD, just type Flutter Doctor. Just type this Flutter Doctor. Once you are done with that, you should have something like this working. So, and secondly, all the next thing you have to do, both if you are on Mac or Windows, you have to download Android Studio. You need Android Studio. So just go here. It's very simple. Download Android Studio. Then for those on Mac, you have to download Xcode. Just go to your App Store. While taking longer time. So just go to your App Store, search for Xcode. This is spelling Xcode. Download it too. So once you are done, run Flutter Doctor. We are good to go. Then for those on MacBook, all you have to do, just a moment, all you have to do, just make sure that the operating system version is version 10.14 or later. Then you must have over 2.8 gig free space. then you have to, Flutter uses Git, you have to install Git, and remember you have to install Xcode, just like what I told you guys. You can install it from here too if you wish to do that. Then the next thing you have to do is just download this. Once you download that, remember what I told you guys, just create a folder, a root folder, call it SRC, paste the Flutter file you downloaded, extract it. Once you are done, it will look like this. So now the next step is to extract this Flutter recipe, then add it to just make sure let's add it to path. Let's add it to our path. Then you can just use command space button, search for terminal, just extract it from there. Okay, see, all you have to do is to do this, copy it. Or if you want to make it simple for you, all you can do, just come to your CMD, paste this, copy this, paste it. You are done. Once you are done, just do this, copy this Flutter doctor, paste it here, run your code, it runs. So just like I promised you guys, I promise not to waste much of your time. So today I think we were able to install Flutter on our machine. We were able to understand the benefit of Flutter, the reason why you should use Flutter. So if you have any issue, if you run into any error, just comment in the comment section. I will attend to all your needs, or you can follow me on any of my social media handles where I will be able to attend to your issues. So thank you guys for watching out. Stay tuned for the next awesome video as we learn from professional Flutter developer. Thank you so much.